Welcome back to Tight Squeeze. I'm a little nervous for this one because it's in a public place and there are people around, and that always sparks fun conversation, so I'm just going to do it anyway. And, you know, to hell with what people think. Okay, will you pan out this way?
Yes.
Oh, well, do they have something next to the window? I don't know if there's a window or upstairs. There's a bar area.
You got it, Chelsea.
I just got a really good back adjustment.
Oh my gosh. It's actually working. And now for the hardest part.
Comes out of the back. Oh, the butt.